Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Little like a half a minute late coming through, but yeah, starting the day looking like we're getting a good little sellout. Oh yeah, I might have to sell out of Nvidia. I'm gonna let the market kind of set up, but yeah, it looks like we're selling off to start the day. If Nvidia holds below 134, I'm gonna close out those positions. Miter Lunas, good morning. T, good morning. Yoko's Lair, good morning. All right. All right, so that was kind of looking like a quick wick to the downside. I'm interested to see if we actually. Oh, that's crazy. We have like no volume right now this morning. It's like really low volume, everything going on. Andy, good morning. Good morning. Turn the volume on over here for Meta. Yeah, I want y'all to see how low. We're like 2 minutes in the market open. There's like no volume in the market. Okay, so let's see. All right, so we got SPY trying to buy back up. Support on the SPY today is going to be about 600. Resistance is going to be around 601, maybe 601.50. Meta, I would like to see some sort of pullback to either maybe about this 168.62 level or this trend line right here. Either one of those, if we don't come back and like break that to the downside, I think I like upside on Meta. But Nvidia, I may be getting ready to close out here in a little bit. Palantir, here, let's look at Palantir as well. Master ERC, good morning. Oh yeah, Nvidia. Here, let me drag this over. We'll see how this candle closes. If we end up closing this candle out at 15 minutes below this, hey, I'm out. All right, so Palantir, let's see. So Palantir's trying to kind of taking off for the day. SoFi on the move. Let's take a look. SoFi, okay. I do want to add, this is kind of something we saw yesterday. So yesterday things kind of popped off at open. So if you see anything that looks like good profits right now, don't hesitate to take it, because the morning honestly is probably the time to do that, because there is a good chance we won't do too much moving at all today. Like, because this is where the volume started yesterday, looking at SoFi. Volume's about right here. Well, actually, it's about halfway to that, but it's probably not going to reach what it was yesterday. If you look at the SPY, here, where is yesterday? Yesterday, oh wait, that's Monday. It's Tuesday. So this was market open yesterday. Market close was over here. Market open today, we're not even like halfway into that or a third into that, and we're already 5 minutes in the market open. So today, honestly, is going to be a good day to sit out. And Nvidia, as of right now, is kind of holding that level. So as of right now, I'm going to still stay in it. I think we have some data coming in about 10 minutes. Let's check real quick. Yeah, so today, 15 minutes, we got Chicago PMI. 30 minutes in, we got all this core PCE, pending home sales, personal income, crude oil. Yeah, all those. Azure, good morning, good morning. Okay. I'm gonna be real with y'all today. I'm thinking I might like today's stream is likely gonna end sooner than normal streams because what I'm seeing right now is telling me there's like everyone's at home right now. It's gonna be wisest to not trade, but I do want to like kind of chill on here and like chill with y'all for a little bit. Okay, so we got the SPY up. Tesla is at kind of the bottom end of this range. Something I'm noticing on the 15, we're kind of riding this 200 EMA that's serving as resistance. Let's see what else. IWM. So IWM, hold up. IWM is that resistance? IWM is actually for IWM, like compared to yesterday, they're getting okay volume. But yeah, the SPY looks like it's probably not going to move today. Let's see, the Qs looks like it's getting some more volume. Mito Lunas, I think I know the answer, but I want to confirm you're messing. No, yeah, definitely was not me. There are a lot of scammers and stuff, and they usually have me blocked, so I can't do anything. So if you get the opportunity, like block them, report them. But no, I'm not gonna. I don't know. I usually when I see the screenshots, they're like trying to tell you, "Oh, give me your money, I will make you more," and all that stuff. I'm not doing that kind of stuff. So definitely not me. And you said about AMD today. Let's take a look. Where's AMD? AMD. Here, let's zoom out a little bit. So AMD is pretty close to its support. I would love to see it come and touch this line down here, but nothing quite yet. It's like it may not be ready today. If it comes down to like, I guess 134 today, hey, that's a good buy level. I would get a little time, but that's what I would look for with AMD today. But honestly, I'm not seeing much right now. Skittles, good morning. Good morning. Glad to see you here. Grab shares of OPTT. Let's see. Morning, Brian. All right, let's see. OPTT. You said 34. All right, so that's about right here. Okay. Yeah, let's hey, we can track it out for now. Yeah, little above, but yeah, we can kind of watch that for now. All right, Palantir is pulling back. I want to do a quick check on the SPY again because they had like no volume this morning. Yeah, SPY's volume is like next to nothing. Let's see. Did you sell out of the SoFi play? No. So I rolled the SoFi yesterday. I rolled SoFi to. It is a November. No, not December 6th. $17 call on SoFi. I just rolled it. just because it doesn't look like anything's going to happen this week with anything. So I rolled Nvidia, I rolled SoFi. I think that's all I'm in right now. Let me see. Take a quick look. Oh, and then I also have a SPY call. What's the expiration on that SPY call? Oh, that's for next week. Yeah, I hope we wake up. All right, so let's see. You said I was thinking buying if AMD reaches 130. Here, let's see. So I don't think AMD will fall that hard, just because like that level of support I had called out. So this is the 4 hour chart, and actually if we zoom out, this is like a weekly trend. So AMD at 130 would be way out here, and honestly, if it comes way out here, there's a good chance it'll fall some more. So 130, that would be an amazing buy level. But I would say the odds are slim. But if it does, it's like, yeah, it could be. But if it comes down here to this 134 level today, just kind of looking at the pattern, it's like you could, to me, that looks like a good level to buy because that's support for this trend. Because if you go back to October of 2022, every time it's kind of come and hit this line, it's continued to go up. Rum. Here, let's see what rum's looking like today. All right, Brian, I see we're pulling back a little bit. Let's see. All right, Rumble, it looks like it's breaking. Rumble might be, oh, well, let's go to like a 15. Oh, no, it's not quite breaking yet. It looked like it on the higher time frame. All right, so this could potentially be a good place to pick it up. The volume's not anything crazy right now, but we'll look into that. What was that? Oh, so going back to IWM, this looks like this is where all the action appears to be right now this morning is IWM. They appear to have the most volume, or like in comparison to what they normally do, they appear to have the most volume, kind of the most momentum. So if I were to get into anything, it would probably be this. But honestly, odds are I'm not taking anything today. Today really does look like a boring, look boring, really want to do puts, but don't forget Friday's going to be a half day. The volume's probably going to be even lower than today. So it wouldn't surprise me if it was just like a sideways trading day. All right, we're going for that first candle. I'm going to come back to look at Nvidia real quick. All right, so we kind of wicked my stop loss, but it's still, like, if we close above right here, I'm going to still hold this for now. Hey, no problem, Silvio. Derek, good morning, good morning. Hey, I'm happy y'all are here tuning in today, because hey, y'all make the days brighter, because I'm going to be real. There is probably not anything happening in the market, so it's always nice to know I'm not just here talking to myself. I got the family in here with me. It's cool. All right, so let's see what we can see. All right, so we're good for another candle on Nvidia. The SPY, yo, their starting candles, or the starting candle yesterday, open yesterday was up here. Today was like half of that. Going back to IWM, let's kind of compare. Okay, so less volume than yesterday, but it's still like okay volume wise. All right, Corey, good morning. Nehemiah, good morning. SOS had a nice gap up into a halt. Are you talking about Brian? Are you talking about OPTT Skittles? Hey, go get that turkey. Do you is Skittles? Do you celebrate Thanksgiving out there? Do you do anything for Thanksgiving? Swift 22nd. Good morning. Good morning. I feel like I know you. I'm gonna click on your picture because I think I know who you are, but I'm not sure. Let me just maybe not. Hold up. I feel like I know who you are. No, I don't think so. But hey, good morning. Good morning. SOS, is that to stop? Oh, okay, that's what you mean. Okay. I thought when you said SOS, I thought you were like saying SOS. All right, so we got Spy kind of, ooh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. All right, so we got the Spy kind of like, or I guess it's not like highs, but Spy is trying to like slowly melt. Like once again, there's like no volume to this melting, but once again, we got like all-time highs over here. So let's see if we can take those out. Enjoy Thanksgiving tomorrow if you celebrate. Yeah, I'll be celebrating Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'll be spending time with the family and whatnot. Looking forward to it. It's cool. You said Meta hit one. Okay, yeah. I'm not 100% sure, but I definitely think. Good morning, Tatiana. I think it could be good for like a return. So or like a run up. So like a lot of the times when you get like a trend line break, you'll either get like a retest of the trend line or a retest like it could be like right here at this area where these EMAs are crossing. So we kind of just want to watch it, see what happens, and it could be a good level to buy a call. So yeah, like right now, it would be amazing if we could get a pullback to this trend line that kind of falls in line with the 200 EMA as well, and that would be like an optimal point to shoot. I would from that I would target like 585, and that also kind of falls in line with like when you made this high over here. We could come a little bit lower, like tap like 564. That would be like ideal for me, but of course it doesn't have to happen. All right, what's it? What? Just keeping an eye on these juicy SoFi calls. Let's see how SoFi's doing. SoFi kind of chilling a little bit right now. I celebrate Canada and USA Thanksgiving. Does Canada have a different? Well, what is Thanksgiving like in Canada? Like, I know Thanksgiving is supposed to be like, supposed to come from like colonization and stuff, but interesting. Expat owned restaurants do the. Okay, interesting. Sir Swang, he will be with me tomorrow. I for sure will be. Hey, shout out to Sir Swang. That's the bro right there. Like legit, the bro right there. He's low key. He's known me longer than I've known him. Known him my whole life. All right, want to sell the twos we got for this week. Might take my losses on those. So Philip, I'm not sure if you were here, but I rolled them out to next week. Just because it doesn't look like anything's going to happen today. Today is just, yeah, we're just here chilling today. Like honestly, strictly here for the vibes. This stream is definitely going to be shorter than a normal stream. Because actually, yeah, we got data come in, but we didn't even really get volume from it or anything. All right, let's see. Dylan, Corpus tapping in. What do you mean by that? Hey, let me know if that's something big. I know you said it in all caps, so hey, that makes me think, hey, that's something big. I'm not sure if you're just coming with the energy or not, but hey, Corpus tapping in. All right, I'm so excited and ready to eat, but nervous because I have to be around. So knew that. Ah, you sound like you have like the big Thanksgivings. It's like me. It's like I have well, yeah, the big Thanksgivings. I don't know like what family you're eating with, but it's like sometimes you don't even know the people at it. It's like me. It's gonna be like kind of my immediate family. My got a sister-in-law, and then I got my wife will be there. So nice and not too big. It'll be nice. It's good when we can all get together. Very much looking forward to it. October 14th. All right, so you already had a Thanksgiving. That's nice. The news on SOS is they're investing 50 million in Bitcoin. Oh yeah, SOS is going to be down when Bitcoin has its pullback. Here, let's here. I don't care as much about the SPY. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. All right, so Bitcoin. Oh, I guess there was a chart. I was just okay. Well, I guess they're back up. So they're back in an uptrend this morning. I was like, yo, they are kind of riding this downtrend. I'm not sure if it was on a 4 hour. Yeah, they do have a downtrend on a 4 hour, but yeah, I guess if they can get above like 95K, they might be going back up to like retest this 98 or something. Let's see. Yeah, I agree. I don't have buying power to roll them, so I'm just. Oh yeah, that's 100% understandable. Canadian Thanksgiving is a celebration of being thankful for the bounty of the previous year. Interesting. Culture is like culture in general, like just the differences in culture across the world are very interesting to me. All right, so I just got an alert on Meta. Meta is pulled back. It's kind of at that EMA, so I'm gonna drop to a lower time frame and I'll watch to a little drop to a little bit of a lower time frame. Watch it a little closer. Here, let's go like a 15. Just see how it kind of responds. But I'll watch it on a lower time frame. Let's watch it on like a 5 or 2 or 1. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on a 1. It doesn't mean I'm about to pull any triggers. I'm just watching this 13 EMA on the 1 just to see how it looks. Oh, also like how is the audio picking me up right now? I'm like I just realized I have the mic pretty far away, but normally I feel like I have the mic too close. It's like probably a little too intimate because it's like y'all hear all my swallows and stuff. So trying to mess around with it. Let's see, Canadian. Okay, my bad. Just the energy. Finally off work to catch the market. Yeah, that's how it is. Hey, that's just the market telling you to hey go enjoy your life, have a good day, all that good stuff. That's all that's going on. All right, so there's a good chance I'm about to close out of Nvidia. It looks like we're about to get a candle close. Let's see. Thoughts on ACHR selling cover call is currently in the money. All right. So Tatiana, can you remind me of your like position on ACHR? Because I know we talked about. Oh, they're still going. I'm not sure if you were on yesterday, but it was like right in here that we were talking about like buying it back and like closing out the position. Either buying it back or the possibility that it could keep going down. So kind of just depends. Right now, it looks like just the trend is still going strong. Actually, draw it a little more over there. But yeah, right now it looks like the trend's still going strong. So selling cover call at 758. Here, let's okay, so we're on the 4 hour. Like we are oversold again. What's the expiration? Fat girl to skinny bought some calls on AC. If SPY drops below the 600 level, do you think the calls for next week are? If it drops below today, I feel like it's fine. But if it like holds below, probably a good idea to close out of. Next Nvidia support. Oh, hold on, we're still not out yet. We're not out of the woods yet. Here, I probably need to do like some. I need to do like some higher term. Okay, it's still holding, depending on how this candle is. Next support on Nvidia is looks to be about like this 132. Yeah, 132. That's going to be next support. And below that, say about 130 and 128. And depending on how fast it could fall, like if it continues to fall, like if it were to go crazy today to the downside, I don't see it coming below 126, or if it does, it's like a quick wick, maybe 125. But I would say below or at that level, that's a strong buy. All right, market is down. What you think? I think the market's just not going to do anything today. I think it's just going to trade in a really small range where people can't really make money unless they're just trying to pick up pennies on a trade. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get much today. All right, so Meta's still in its downtrend. Your ACH called expirations today. Oh wait, hold on. I don't mind getting out of these 300 shares and moving the money to Epic. Here, let me go back to ACHR real quick. Oh yeah, they're kind of pumping it. Yeah, so honestly, yeah, I wouldn't if they expired Friday, I would just kind of let it run its course because it doesn't make sense to buy the calls back right here, in my opinion. I would just let it play out. It's like if you want to get back in, you can sell calls to buy them, but that's kind of what I would do. Have a butterfly call on Nvidia expiring November 29th. I have never traded a butterfly. I don't you need to be like really specific with those though? I honestly I don't like I don't know well enough to like I don't know the strategy well. It's like honestly past credit spreads, debit spreads, and like iron condors, I don't really know much about spreads. Volatility on news today. I mean, we have news right now. So here, let's go back to the SPY real quick. But I don't even think we're gonna really get volatility on that either. Like once again, the volume is like nothing, nothing at all. Here, let's see. IDAI. This is a AI company. Grab shares 55.80. Stop loss 50. All right, let's watch and see how it goes. So stop loss gonna be right here. And oh wait, bought in. About right here. All right. See how that goes. All right. Lucky J, hold up. You know we gotta come in throw an emote. Let's see. What we feeling? I don't know what that is. Let's see. I think it's like I want to say it's like a gingerbread man. All right, Spies testing that 600 level. Okay. I think, hold on, let me, real quick. Let me take this over here. I'm going to close out of NVIDIA. Oh, no, it held up. Yeah, I'm going to close out of NVIDIA. Wait for a better entry. Oh, it's trying to. I'm going to just go back to Meta for now. But yeah, I'm probably going to close that out. Let's see. I have Arch at 755 buyback. Let it ride. All right. ACHR. 755 or 750 cover call. So yeah, if you buy back, we just have to hope it'll continue running. Good morning, bro. I can't find no easy plays today. Trading's sideways like Paul Wall. Yeah, that's what the market's gonna give us today. Hey, it's gonna be a whole bunch of sideways trading. That's why as of right now I'm just sitting on the sideline. Let me take a look at Derive real quick, see if they got anything popping up on the screener. So right now, they said it was 24 minutes ago, so this play is probably already gone, maybe. So it says the target is $74. And there is a call strike for Palantir. What is it? Let's see. Let's take a quick look at Palantir. Call strike for Palantir on, I guess, next Friday. Their last one hit. So they had like a $75 call strike on Palantir for this week. Not 75, I think it was a 65. Yeah, it kind of hit. I just didn't take the trade. Let's see. So Palantir, let's see, next week, 75. Oh no, the strike is for the 69. Oh, that's already ran up. Okay. Next one I see is oh yeah, that says, yeah, PLTR. But, um, yeah, I'm gonna scroll through, look at some more. Next I see there's a swing. It's a 118 put on Dell. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and kind of analyze these. Because right now I'm just looking for potential. 'Cause I don't think I see anything today. So yeah, it said this one was done at 124. Where are we at? Okay, so it's kind of up since it's happened. It is a 118 put for next week. And the target is for it to go down to 122.83. All right, so it already hit that. So that was more like a day trade. IWM. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. All right, so there is a here, let's look at IWM. I might like that. Let's see. IWM 246 call. Let's see. IWM. December 5th. Oh yeah, that's already ran up. So right now, it's not like throwing out a crazy amount just because, I guess because things are slow. I think the faster it moves on, the better it kind of finds stuff, but yeah, there's not much going on. Trying to choose long on Hut or Mara. So, market news today, I haven't gotten any really. Whenever it comes to, but I'm kind of in the wheelhouse of Tatiana when it comes to Mara. So one thing that you kind of know, or I've kind of noticed about the crypto miners like Mara or Hut, is just the fact that it's like they do follow Bitcoin, but it's like after they make a large move up or a large move down, usually they will kind of like wait a week to kind of make the other move that they need to move. So Bitcoin ran up, they kind of ran up like a week after. And then it's like Bitcoin sold off, and they didn't really do much selling off. Like a lot of, like they were both still kind of green while Bitcoin was selling off. So we still need to do like the selling off. That's kind of what I think, but it's like I don't love shorting them just because of the way they move. I prefer to like buy the dips. Do you have a premium subscription on TradingView? Yeah, I just want to say it was yesterday or maybe the day before. I posted on my channel, and then I got the top one. I think it was like, I want to say it was like 210, 230 for the year. Let's see real quick. Yeah, I think it was like 230 for the year. Like if you got the mid tier, I think it, or maybe it was like 290. Oh, it was 230 with tax. That's what it was. All right, so oh, Skittles, I just got inflation data. So Fed preferred inflation gauge rises to 2.3 annually, meeting expectations. So that's what I just got. Let's take a quick look at the volume. Here, let's go to 5-minute volume. And let's see if anything has happened with the SPY. Nah, right now the SPY's kind of riding this 200 EMA on the 5-minute. Here, let's see. If anyone wants it, they gotta pick up the play. Oh yeah, 100%. Cause it's like I think the price I was paying beforehand, like I was paying like 15 a month. That was for like the bottom. That comes out to be 180 a year. So, and that's not including tax, the 15 a month. So it's like they ended. It's like I paid like it was like 40 more. So it's like think like maybe 2 extra months, and I get all the features now. So it's cool. Skittles meet or beat. So it was meat. Yeah, they met expectations. It fell. It was kind of like right in line. Let's see. The mid tier is it cost the same thing. It was the mid tier was $1 less, and they do that on purpose. But one thing for sure, when next year rolls around, I'm either going to like renew it, or I'm gonna cancel it right before Black Friday again, because he said, "Are these the only two trades today?" Oh wait, hold on. What do you think of a call on Google? I'm gonna say right now is probably not the move, but let me see. Any kind of day trades, I'm gonna say it's probably not the move right now. I'm gonna say the majority of right now Google's in a downtrend. They could, well, actually they're in an uptrend too. I would like to see Google like actually show that it can hold above this 171 level. Then it's like okay, yeah, that's cool. But you said, are these the only two trades today? I haven't like taken any trades today, but honestly, I don't think I'm going to take trades today. So if you're looking, like if you're here just looking for a trade, I would say don't waste your time, because I don't, like being honest, I don't think you're taking a trade. It says spied crossing down. Yes, it is. Let's come look on a lower time frame. Yeah, I am not loving that. Let me drag that over though, so I can see what the plan was. It's like the $600 level is important, but right now, it's like I'm still on the 4 hours. It's fine right now. It's like if we don't break it, it's fine. Let's see, hold up. Alright, so I kept saying I was going to cut out an video, but I actually just did. Let me post that real quick. I only got out with 15 per contract, so let's see. But I do think the opportunity to ride back up is going to be better. Oh, and I'm here by the way. I'm just shooting this message out to everyone. Gotta make sure I lets everyone know. Gotta keep it real. Need to take that screenshot again. All right, cool. All right, we're back. Spy crossing down. Yeah, it's still crossing down. Let's see. All right, so we're doing a little bit of pulling back right now. See where SoFi is at. So SoFi is still kind of chilling right now. Nvidia dive. Yeah, that's why I just closed out. Oh, here. Let's go back. Look at Nvidia. Yeah, it's like Nvidia might be a better opportunity. And it's like, but those contracts are like dead. Another potential area of interest on Nvidia. It's this low right here. It's like 228.78. Anyone know what happened to? Is that Fiverr or is that something else? So they had earnings. Well, I guess not the previous week. It kind of, I guess it depends on what you're talking about. I just see like this move up over here. So that was coming to earnings, and they traded sideways. And then on the 18th, they kind of started going up again. So let's see. You say yeah on Monday. Let's see. Monday. I mean, I don't see anything like major. Whoa, what's going on? Okay. I don't see anything like major. So I see something about unusual options activity on Fiverr. Fiverr shares here. Let me check the unusual activity real quick on Moomoo. All right, so Fiverr, FERR. I need to change my filter setting because there were derived screener trades, but most of them already. Oh, hold up, we got some new ones. So SPY, there is a 600 call strike or 605 call strike for December 5th. Okay, that's okay. That's I'm holding a call. My other call is further out of the money, but it's a 605 call strike, and then there AMD there is a 150 call strike. I think I like that one. I like that one. So yeah, there's a 150 call strike for December 20th. I like the time. Yeah, I like that one. Hold up, let's see. Let me take one more look because I know it's at that line of support. Where's AMD? Yeah, it's like really close to that. I actually really like that AMD play. I might go for that. But like one thing I want to say about this is a lot of people see me take these trades and then they want to ask me about the trade. When I take these trades aren't supposed to occur in a day, or it's not supposed to happen like over this. It's not supposed to be an instant trade. So it's like trades go up and down. So just know that they, things don't move in a straight line. They don't go straight there. So there will be red and green, but like I have like 1,000 people in my DMs trying to message me and say, "Oh, what happened with this stock? What happened with this stock?" I can't, unfortunately, I can't respond to everyone. But it's like if you don't have a plan or you don't know where the stop loss is and whatnot, do not take a trade without doing your own due diligence and whatnot. But yeah, I like those calls, so I grabbed the AMD 150 calls for December 20th. I grabbed like two of them. I'm gonna share those in the Discord real quick. Do you use level 2 data? When I think about it, but but yeah, when I think about it, sometimes I will. Just because I have it on Robinhood. If you have Robinhood Gold, you have level 2 data. So yeah, let's kind of mark this. So yeah, I enter the trade right here. That seems like a okay stop loss, and that would be a nice move right there, but doesn't necessarily have to happen. All right, so looking at that trade on AMD, it says it says the target is 137. So that's not even like a crazy move, but oh yeah, I can see where they're getting the target from. They're just targeting kind of like a so this is more like a safe trade. I mean, that's cool too. Lock in the profits a little quicker. So it's not going to be as big of a trade as I would have gone for, but it's a quick play. So yeah, I watched that. I got my alert set. It actually says 127.53. So yeah, I'll just kind of watch. It might go a little above that, but we'll see. Even if it wants to give some lunch money, I'm cool with it. All right, let's see. I want to go back to Meta, see how that's doing on the 1 minute. All right, yeah, it's still kind of riding that 1 minute down. All right, let's see if we got any data. Oh, wait, okay. I'm just not, I don't know why I'm just seeing this comment, but you said people pulling out the market for Black Friday shopping. Hey, Loki, hey, I've kind of gone a little bit crazy this week. I don't know if y'all have me on Instagram, but yeah, kind of gone ham. Yo, also, let me just drop this here. That's my Amazon influencer. That's my Black Friday list. To anyone curious. All right, let's see. Brian, I'm watching this IDAI trade. It's not very fun to watch. Well, not, I would say honestly, nothing's really fun to watch today, but I need some excitement in my life. Hey, Dogecoin. All right, let's see how Dogecoin is doing. Let's go to like let's go to a 15. It looks like it's trying to get above this 200 moving average. You said, oh, I took the Meta 592.50 day call from the screener that was posted last night. Horrible. Uh, was it posted overnight? So I would, yeah, whenever it comes to the screener, pay attention to, here, let me look at it real quick. So, yeah, pay attention to, oh, they just posted one 7 minutes ago. There is a call on, hold on. There is a call on, there's a $70 call strike on Palantir for December 6th. I feel like these targets are crazy. I don't know. We'll have to see. Like I see these crazy price targets. I don't know if there's unusual activity. I might have to check that out. Like I'm gonna go in and look at the here. Let me see if we can do it together right now. Let's see what the market is giving us. All right, so what was it? We were looking at Palantir. I'm about to share it with y'all on screen. Let's see, unusual. All right. So yeah, let me lock it. Are we full screen? No, we're not full screen. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's pull Palantir up real quick too. All right, so right here, looking at some of the unusual activity going in today. Got some puts. Got 1,000 puts for the $64 level on Palantir. It's kind of a neutral play, as you can see. And then you can see there is a bullish play. This is for the 27th. There's 85 or 2,580 $85 call strikes for December 27th. Let's see what else we have here. Just looking at the dates. Oh no, I'm gonna have to look at it like this. All right, so we'll look out for, let's see what next week's looking like. Oh, that's the volume. I'm trying to, let's go to the open interest. Let's go for next week. Yeah, there's a lot right here at whatever this is. I'm gonna have to check that on my phone. To what point do you think? So NVIDIA, here, let me see. So kind of below here. So 232 is the next level of support. So there's here. Then you got a little support at 230, but there's a quick wick down to about 129. And then below that, if it really wants to come down, looks like it can come down to about 126, 125. So yeah, I jumped out of NVIDIA for now. Let's see. Wait, is it ADAI or IDAI? Because I've had IDAI this whole time. Nah, I think it's IDAI. Yeah, so this just IDAI just crossed to the downside on the 5 minute. Let's see. If it stays in that range, I can sell again. When you see a company's headquarters in the, I mean, I think it should, but I don't ever like really look at that. But yeah, it's like usually you would think so. Like kind of depending on what their dealings are. Like if it sounds too good to, like first off, it's like does it sound too good to be true? And then it's like if you see that kind of paired with the fact that it sounds too good to be true, it's like yeah, that's a red flag. UMAC. All right, let's see. UMAC got a slow mover here. Let's oh, I don't really see much with this. I mean, it's definitely had a good day. Actually, hold on, I said slow mover, but that's kind of a lot. All right, so we open up. I think market open was over here. So pretty much from market open, it hasn't done anything. It had a good move, like pre-market, and then yeah, not much going on there. All right, so on the 1 minute, Meta looks like it's trying. Yeah, I don't see much. All right, I wanted to come back and look at Palantir. All right, so it looks like I would love to see a retest of this trend line as well. I don't have an alert on it. The Meta call play looked good in the pre, but as soon as the bell dropped, it just not. Yeah, honestly, when it kind of, I don't even like look at stuff overnight, but yeah, it's like if it was calling something beforehand, like before I have access to it, I don't like it. It's like I'm still kind of selective about it. I'm looking like I want to make a video about the screener, but I don't understand it well enough to do it yet, so I'm kind of waiting. But yeah, definitely do your own DD and don't don't just take the trade just because it's like every one of those trades I kind of check the charts and stuff for first. Like I'm still kind of interested in oh, I didn't even realize they show the volume in the open interest for these trades. Hmm. So yeah, you got the trading volume. All right, so let's see. Wait, where is? Wow, so I was looking at the. Okay, that's kind of wild. Okay, so let me see how much these options on Palantir are for next week. Just cause yo, that's kind of wild on the open interest. Let me look at the one they called out earlier. Oh, I feel like it may have gone somewhere. Cause I feel like I saw one. Maybe they like adjusted it, but I feel like there was a call on. All right, what was I gonna say? Not financial advice, but when I play daily top movers, I play volume and price action. Yeah, 100%. Definitely want to. Volume is gonna be big anywhere. If you don't have volume, you're just gonna like. There's no volume on the SPY today. There's It's like if you don't have volume, you don't really have anything. The price can be manipulated however it wants to be. Expectations for Friday, Mark? Friday, once again, it's going to be a half day. So Friday is probably going to be even more boring than today. Said no volume on Meta either. Yeah, that's why. That's part of why it's like I'm not like rushing for anything. Oh wait, hold on. I'm on the 1 minute while we're talking about volume. Let's go to like the 1 hour. I mean, I would say for Meta, I mean the volumes it's lower, but it's nowhere near as bad in relation to SPY to what it normally is. But yeah, there's like no volume on anything. Yeah, let me move up to a 4 hour. Said Palantir diving. That's what I like to see. I think I might actually grab that play. Oh, hold up. It's like this trend line looks different on different time frames. I probably drew it on the 4. Thoughts on Tesla stock? I didn't even realize it. Tesla came below that 335. I said below here. Tesla is probably coming to close that gap in right here around 221. So yeah, that's what I would look for on Tesla. That if there was a trade, that was the trade to take today. I'm so annoyed. That was actually this is where it was at. Yeah, that was the trade to take today. Tesla. All right, so I'm gonna watch Palantir here. All right, we got a little crossing of the trend line. I think I'm gonna grab one just for fun. All right. So I grabbed a $70 Palantir call for next week. Yeah, I just bought in like right here at that trend line right there. Yeah, and I'm targeting this previous high over here. Stop loss probably be right there at about 63.78. Right here, let's move that to 75. All right, I'm up $5 on it. That's cool. Share one more. Here, let me share that with the. Just picked up a Palantir call expiring December 6th. Paid 1.72 per share. Oh, I said scare. Per share. It was for the $70 strike. Huge open interest at that level. All right, let's go to the other one. In 1 second. All right, there we go. UMAC appointed Donald Trump Jr. to advisory board. Interesting. All right, so SPY kind of hit 599 and trying to see life. Palantir. Yeah, that's it. All right, y'all. So I'm about to get off and call it a day. I don't think we're gonna get like too much else really go on today. My final thoughts for today. I would not be surprised if we close like right around 600 on the SPY. That would not be a surprise to me. I picked up a call on Palantir. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, Skittles. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see. Outdoor people, I know it seems crazy, but I bought a 345 Tesla call at the bottom for Friday. Honestly, doesn't seem like too crazy. You know, Tesla can do some things, so it's like if you're buying at support, that's cool. Hey, you too, Brian. Yeah, picked up a call next week for AMD. Picked up a call next week for Palantir. Well, actually, AMD has like a few weeks of time. But yeah, looks like we're kind of buying up a little bit right now on some things. So, oh, that's more than I would have thought it would be. Outdoor people, but hey, I hope you make a. I hope you make a bag. Like I hope the same way volume came into Tesla today that hey, it comes in the opposite way. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. I would like to thank y'all for coming through, and I hope each and every one of y'all have a very happy Thanksgiving. And if you're in any trades today, I hope they go your way. Kind of like this Palantir. It's like right now it looks like we may have scooped Palantir at the bottom. But oh, Alan John, you too. Yeah. Yeah, I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. And yeah, once more, like let me if any of y'all do any shopping for Black Friday or anything, check out my ID list on Amazon. And yeah, fat girl to skinny. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Y'all have a blessed day.